Today we are heading for a new chapter, Principles of Inheritance and Variation. I will be going throughout the summary of this chapter and will make you available only main points. So from the front page of our NCERT chapter, we have only 3 main points. Question can be answered from the second point, inheritance is the basis of heredity. Other nothing is important in this whole first page. We will be heading now towards the second, which starts with Mendel's laws of inheritance. Mendel was the scientist during the mid-19th century. He worked for 7 years. He worked for 7 years on pea plants, where he conducted various experiments. It was during 1856 to 1863. During his time, it was the first time where he used mathematical logic and statistical analysis, which was not accepted by many other scientists, but although it was a unique concept, it was not accepted, but it led to success. With his experiments, he used this experiment at a large scale, where he had large sampling size, which gave him better results and greater credibility to the data he collected. Also, the confirmation of his inferences from experiments on successive generation of his test plants proved that his results pointed to general rules of inheritance rather than being unsubstantiated ideas. Mendel's all experimented on only 2 opposing traits, either tall or dark, either yellow or green seeds, very considered only contrasting traits which were in the probability of 2. Mendel considered a true breeding line. Mendel conducted some artificial pollination, cross-pollination experiments using several true breeding pea lines. A true breeding line is one that have undergone continuous self-pollination, shows that the stable trait inheritance and expression for several generations. He used pure line pea traits. A pure true breeding line is one that have undergone continuous self-pollination. shows the stable trait inheritance and expression. Which is supposed to be a true breeding line is one that have undergone continuous self pollination, shows the table rate inheritance and expression for several generations, where no other gene was mutated or changed with the variation, and the original trait was passed along with the true breeding line.